My name is Dr. Parul Dua Makkar. I'm a general dentist in Long Island, New York, and I've been using StellaLife products for a few years now. I've been sending them to my patients or recommending them to my patients, both cancer therapy. I have a stage 4 patient, as well as post treatments such as extractions, canker sores, sores in the mouth, traumatic lesions. I have a patient who is an alcoholic and cannot tolerate any alcohol or is declining to use anything that has alcohol content in it, so she absolutely loves this StellaLife product. I've recommended the rinses as well as the gel and the spray, and I've gotten great results, great feedback from my patients, and they've come back asking me for some more. And my journey, is also in the oral cancer world after losing my brother. And he, at the time of his treatment, during sores and during chemo and radiation, getting sores in his mouth, he always wanted something to bring him comfort, and StellaLife product actually gave him quite a bit of a relief. And so I'm grateful to the team for this product, for recommending them to patients from all range of treatments. And thank you.